Good morning, kids. Sairam. So, today we are going to make a very easy craft article which you can make within 5 minutes. So, here we don't need anything, only we need a paper. Today we are going to make a cat box. So, it is a type of container. You can keep in that cat box anything you want, small chocolates or small pins, rubber, eraser, pencil, whatever you want. Okay, so here we start. See, like this cat box I'm going to teach. So face is same like cat, right? So this is the cat face and this is the box. So very easy way I'm going to show you. So I will show you how to make. Here you need any color craft paper, whichever color you like, and two markers, two sketch pens. I am taking blue and pink. You can use any color sketch pen, you whatever you have. Here we don't need glue also. So first fold your paper in half. So here we don't need scissors also and glue also, nothing we need. Fold your paper in half. Fold very carefully and properly. Then fold one more time in square shape. See, like this. Press from all the sides tightly. Now open. Now again fold in half in triangle shape. Again fold in half in triangle shape. Properly. Do very slowly, because if fold will come wrong, then your craft will not look proper. Again open. Then now fold from other side. Fold from other side, triangle. Fold from other side. Press it tightly from all the sides like this. Now open. So now here you will get lines. Now fold till that line, triangle from one side till middle point. Again fold from other side, triangle till middle point. Do very slowly, kids, and properly. Okay, then from third side the same way, then do from the last side. So all the four corners we have folded. See it is proper or not. All the corners should be pointed like this. Back side like this. Now open all the triangles. Here you will get two cross. You can see this two cross mark. Here you have to fold. See how I am showing. First two cross mark their middle point. I will show you by pointing out with pencil. See, in middle of 2x I am putting dot. Till that dot you have to fold from one side. Now fold, see, till that dot, means you have to fold your paper till the middle point of both the x. Understood? Other side also in the same way. See, there also up we have folded. Now opposite side same, mark 2 dot in middle of 2x and then fold till that dot, means you have to fold till the middle point of 2x. So opposite sides we are folding two strips. Fold very properly. See, so opposite corners we have folded. Now fold in half fold in half. Then see, open side I have folded up. Now again fold in half from right to left. From right to left. Now see, we have to open in a house type shape. Put your finger and open in house type shape. See, like this. Then turn back side, here also fold in the same way, house type shape. If you are not understanding any step, you can go back and see one more time. Okay, so both the side we have folded one same way. Now open one side, open the flap. Turn back side, here also open the flap, one upon other. See, then plain house type shape will come. So this is the plain shape. Okay, now you can see these lines. We have to fold till that middle line. From up, fold till that middle line from both the sides. You are getting? Like this. Then again fold from other side. Then from both the side fold till middle line. So you will get a kite like shape like this. Okay, now see, next step. This corners, this triangle shape, you have to fold till middle line. From both the sides, this triangle shape you have to fold till middle line. Like this. Turn back side, there also the triangle fold till middle line. Like this. So you will get like this shape. Now see, up one side, any one side you will get a paper to fold. Open the flap. See, beside that flap, this paper, square shape paper, you have to fold in triangle form. Both the side fold in triangle shape, and then this triangle you have to put inside the gap. See, here this triangle, big triangle is having gap, so in this big triangle put that small triangle. Are you getting? See, I am showing you slowly, that's why. If you are not getting any step, you can go back and see one more time. See, open this gap with your fingers and put that small triangle in that what we have folded now. So like this you have to fold, like this you have to pack. Other side also same way. See, here also this fold triangles like this. Then this you have to put in big triangle gap. Here also. Like this. So both the sides we have packed. Now we will open our box. This is back side and this is open side. So you have to open from open side. Then put your finger in that and open with both the hands. See, box is open. See, like this. From down, adjust the fold. See, so cat face came. So this is looking like a cat face, right? This is ears and this is cat face, right? And from down, box. See, like this you can open with your fingers and keep place anywhere, right? Now on this we will make eyes, nose and mouth. So I'm using sketch pens for making this. You can make any smileys, crying figure, crying face or laughing face, like that. Any face you can make here. I am making a smiling face. You can make any face of your choice. See, now with pink I am making nose of cat. If you don't have pink sketch pen, even you can use red sketch pen. If you don't have red, you can use any color sketch pen. But if you have pink or red, it will look more nice. See, this much little nose you have to make of triangle shape. Then I am making smile of cat now. So this I am making smiling face. You can make any smiley you want. So see, we have made a smiley cat box, smiling cat box. Here I have made one more which I showed you. See, like this, different smiley cats you can make, like this cat box. Okay, like this you can place anywhere. See, I am putting eraser in this. You can put anything inside this, chocolates or sharpener, rubber, small things you can keep in this box. Okay, it is looking nice and very easy, right? Without Fevicol, without scissors, it is very nice, right? Hope you enjoy.